Hello students, welcome to today's science class.
We all fall sick, and when we fall sick, we visit a doctor. Doctor prescribes us medicines. We generally do not like the taste of medicines, yes, but these medicines do help feel better and cure our illness.
And in today's class, we will be knowing how drugs work as medicines. When we fall sick, we go to a doctor and the doctor prescribes us medicines. Medicines like tablets, syrups, etc. What are these medicines? Let us know how these drugs and medicines help us. When we fall sick, these medicines help us in some way. They help us make feel better and they help us also recover from our illness. Medicines have substances which help cure diseases or illnesses. What are these substances? All medicines are not drugs, but some drugs are medicines. First, let us know the difference between drugs and medicines. What are drugs? What are medicines?
Drugs are substances which bring about change in our body. Drugs help us recover from some of the ailments or some of the diseases. Some drugs are good, whereas some drugs have harmful effects on us. Drugs, when taken in large quantities, can be very harmful, whereas drugs taken in small quantities are effective enough to cure certain diseases. Doctors prescribe us medicines according to the illness we have. Medicines make us feel better and also prevent us from getting ill. All medicines are not drugs, but some medicines do act like drugs which help us recover from the illness that we are going through. Some medicines also prevent us from being ill. An example for drugs is tobacco. Tobacco is not used in any kind of medicine, but it is used in cigarettes or cigars. Smoking of cigarettes causes very harmful effects on the lungs. The harmful drug extracted from tobacco is called as nicotine. Nicotine is a drug which is used as pain relief or even as medicine to calm our nerves. But regular and continuous usage of tobacco can cause a very harmful effect on our nerves. Hence, drugs are quite harmful and should be avoided or never used, whereas medicines prescribed by doctors can be used to prevent or cure any illness. The next topic here we need to know is how we take medicines. There are different ways a prescribed medicine can be taken. Medicines need to get incorporated or get mixed with our blood so that it can help us feel better or cure our illnesses. There are different ways of taking medicines. When kids are small, they are unable to swallow tablets. Hence, medicines are given in the form of syrup and powder. How does syrup and powder help us? Syrups are liquid form of medicines which can get easily into our bloodstream and help cure the ailments. Powder form of medicine are also easily mixed with water and taken to cure the illness. Tablets and capsules are another form of medicines which help slow release of medicines into the bloodstream. These have long-term effects and small dosages are enough so that they get into our bloodstream slowly and cure the illness slowly. Inhalers are used to cure ailments that are related to lungs. Inhalers have medicines which help in opening up of blockages that causes difficulty in breathing. Drips and injections are another type of administering medicine directly into the bloodstream. Drips and injections are the fastest mode of administering giving medicines to the affected area in a quicker way. Hence, if we are too sick and being hospitalized, then doctors prefer using drips and injections for faster or quicker recovery from illness. Another way of giving medicines is creams. Creams are applied externally. Generally, when we hurt ourselves or we have any injuries on the outer side of the body, then creams are applied. Creams protect our injuries or wounds by protecting it from attacking of bacteria and other dust particles. Creams cannot be applied to internal injury like inside our body or different organs. Hence, creams are also called as topical or external use only. These are the different ways of taking medicine or administering medicine if we fall sick. So this was all about drugs and medicines. Thank you.